Simple changes to your daily routine can promote lifelong healthy habits. When paired with a balanced diet and exercise, these tips can help tip the scale in the right direction. These home remedies are safe and natural strategies for weight loss that can be combined with other diet and nutritional plans. One is to use smaller plates, with some studies indicating that this can help you eat less by altering how you view your portion size. You should also focus on the quality of the food on your plate. Make sure there are vegetables, quality carbohydrates, and protein in the mix. Another tip is to start by eating slower and genuinely enjoying the food. You may feel more satisfied with your meal overall and more full, and by putting your spoon or fork down between bites can also help provide a sense of satiety or fullness. In the same vein as eating more slowly, focusing on your food as the main event, not a distraction from the latest episode of your favorite drama, can help cut calories. Adding peppers and spices to your food like chili peppers, including cayenne and jalapenos, which may boost metabolism and increase fat burning, is also a good go. Studies show several spices, including fenugreek, ginger, and cumin, can help control appetite and burn fat.
Irongomed is a leading distributor, working in partnership with NewMed and WestMed to meet the comprehensive needs of the Namibian healthcare sector. As a partner pursuing sustainable global healthcare, we offer industry-leading medical solutions through our key focus areas, which include pharmaceuticals, orthopedics, ophthalmology, surgical devices and capital equipment, as well as a well-established scientific laboratory division. In healthcare, Irongomed is committed to making a difference.